Hey guys, Gracie here. Welcome to Landscape Design 101 Part 2. Today we're going to talk about the next steps to bring your dream landscape to life. Last week, I learned about what to consider and how to prepare for designing your landscape. There are lots of factors from availability of space, time, lifestyle, and design preferences. Be sure to click the link in the description below to watch Landscape Design 101 Part 1. I'm here again with Rick Vespa, who is the president of English Gardens Landscape Company and also my dad. Okay, so can you share about how I should proceed once I have my ideas?
Well, English Gardens provides a variety of landscape services. The one that's right for you depends on a few things. Size and scope of the project for one, and whether you want to do some or all of the work yourself or prefer to have it done for you. Our professional design and installation team will make the most of your yard and garden. For the do-it-yourselfer, we offer a few design services. One is the over-the-counter landscape plan. Next is the Clipboard Sketch. And finally, our complimentary ready-made designs. We also offer a few other helpful services, the yard and garden consultation and tree and shrub planting services. Either way, we're here to help you create an outdoor retreat you'll enjoy every season.
So if you're like me, you might have a smaller project to take on. DIY sounds like a good fit for me. Last week, I learned all about doing the site analysis and sketching a preliminary plan based on all my existing elements. Is there any service at English Gardens that could help with those tasks?
You bet. Our associates and garden coaches are experts at providing inspiration and ideas to get you started. The over-the-counter landscape plan is perfect for designing one area of your yard. To get started, go to our website to set up an appointment with our garden coach. During your appointment, you'll share photos and dimensions and other details about your project. From there, they'll customize a landscape plan. You'll also receive a list of plants, recommendations, and supplies you'll need to get the job done.
Cool.
The over-the-counter landscape plan is free with the purchase of a $300 English Gardens gift card, which can be used to purchase the plants and supplies for your project.
That sounds great. Sometimes it's really helpful to bring in an expert to help visualize your space. Now, what about the Clipboard Sketch or the complimentary ready-made designs? Can you tell us some more information about those ones?
Absolutely. So we developed the Clipboard Sketch service to make it easier to give you plant recommendation and quick design tips while you're shopping in our stores. So with the help of one of our nursery professionals, we'll have you sketch the area you're looking to improve. Photos and some basic measurements are helpful here too. We'll ask a few questions and make some plant recommendations. It's free with the purchase of a $100 English Gardens gift card.
Okay.
And you can use the gift card to purchase the plants and materials you need to create the project.
And the complimentary ready-made designs, those are the pre-made designs that we have available in all of our stores, right?
Right. They're based on some common spaces and areas and great starters for aspiring gardeners. Our stores feature more than 15 landscape garden plans designed by our professionals for all areas of your yard. Each plan includes a drawing for plant placements, a sketch of what the area will look like, and a plant list and materials recommended for the project.
Well, I sure learned a lot today. How cool to hear about the variety of services that our English Garden store offers to help beginner gardeners and even the seasoned gardener pros. I'm looking forward to creating my own outdoor space. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy summer! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.